In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
Whoa! Our systems are showing we're right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish start. Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Some more of our dive team are out here looking for Atlantis, lost treasures in the ocean, and spotting super cool sea creatures.
The water is full of life and Atlantean treasures. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some like to lie around on the seabed. Whoa, I do love sharks. Awesome fact. Sharks have been on the earth longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea has been a success. It's time to head back up.
Hey, it's been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Now, let me check my remote systems to see how many amazing creatures you spotted. Whoa! Make sure to stop by our care facility as you exit HQ and learn about the creatures up close with our dive team and marine experts. We are now back at the surface, team. Time to collect your belongings and disembark.